everyone, welcome back to Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to enable two-step verification on Facebook. So for that, first of all, you need to open the Facebook application and get logged in into the account. Once you open the Facebook, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap that. From here you need to scroll down and tap open Setting and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Inside Setting and Privacy, you need to go to the Account Center. Tap that. Now here in the Account Center, you need to scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Tap open that option. Inside Password and Security, there is a Login and Recovery option. Inside it, there's two-factor authentication option available. You tap that. Choose the account to which you want to enable the two-step verification. Tap that. Two-step verification is adding a extra security to your account, and there's two ways how you can do it: authentication app, text message, security keys. So these processes are different from one another. So I'll just show you a easy process for how you can enable a two-step. For that, you tap on the text message, then tap on Next. The text message option is by verifying through the phone number. You choose your phone number and tap on Next. If you want to add another number, you tap on Add Number and provide a new number for the verification. I'm just gonna go with the phone number that I have registered for this Facebook account. Tap that and tap on Next. Now you will be sent a 6-digit code to the number. You just need to copy that code and paste it on here in the empty text box. You can see the code that I have just received. I'm just gonna copy this code and paste it over here on this text box. Then tap on Next. Two-factor authentication is on. Now you will be asked to log in code every time you log in on this device as a way of security. That is the two-step verification. You tap on Done. The text message security method is on. So this is how you can enable two-step verification on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.